Hello friends, I am Dinasour. I am powerful gorilla. And I am king of jungle. I am super strong elephant. I am cute hippo. And we all have to cross this fountain to win this challenge. Let's start. Yeah, the first turn is mine.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Wow! Good! Great! Awesome! Outstanding!
Oh, very tasty bananas, wow.
Look at that! Wow!
Go, go, go!
Now it is my turn to pass this challenge.
Go, go, go!
Oh no!
Wow!
Wow, these oranges are very, very tasty. My color is changed into yellow color.
Look at that! Wow!
No, I will not hit this football. I will not also hit this football. Yes, I will hit this.
Oh, yeah!
And break the door. Very tasty trees. Wow, my color is changed into purple
Look
color.
at that! Wow!
I am the super powerful king, and I will easily pass this challenge. Let's go. Very sweet and tasty apples. Wow, my color changed into my favorite red color. Oh wow, it is my turn. And here is only one ball available for me to break the door. Very, very tasty fruit. Oh my god, my color is very unique. Now let's see all these animals in very cute colors. Please do a like and subscribe for these animals.